Frequent flyers, flies, la 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 la. Frequent flyers back.
What's up? You checking out the Frequent Flyer? Welcome back to the channel. Smash the like button to show your support. If you're new to the channel, I like to extend a warm welcome. Back out here at the park yard to do some flying. Today is Throwback Thursday, and usually on Throwback Thursday I usually have one of my toy grades out here to fly, but this time it's something brushless. This is one of my favorites, and I ain't gonna lie, y'all, I'll be babying this one. I've been babying this one for a while because it got broken, and it's one of my favorites, and it took me a long time to get it back up in the air, and so I'm babying it now. This is the QAV 105. It's a micro version of the famous QAV. And the QAV is a monumental quad in freestyle because that was one of the first, I believe. It was very popular. I never had one, but I do have this. And a fun fact about this thing is that this was the first micro brushless that had a CCD cam. So this was the first, well, on retail. We had CCD cams available, but this was the first retail model that came with an actual CCD cam. And so the motors on here are not the original motors. These are some Gym Fan motors that I bought because the motors that I had, one of them went, and I was unable to find the exact same motor to replace that motor, so I just replaced all four. And these motors are using these special connectors here. They're not the normal micro connectors. These micro connectors are the same connectors that are on the Baby Hawk. The Emax Baby Hawk has these same small connectors, so those of you who have that brushless quad, you know exactly what connectors I'm talking about. These little plug-ins here. And so I had to do some modification to these motors in order to get them to fit this board here. It's not a traditional layout for the board. The mounting holes are different. As you can see there, it's a little long, so can't really find any other boards that will fit on this frame. And so this one is still rocking the same stack that it had. No OSD, y'all. This was before OSD came out and became popular and all. So no OSD, but this does have a CCD cam, so pretty decent picture. It looks like a run cam, but I'm not sure this is a actual. Oh, it is an actual run cam, so it is a run cam. A run cam micro. But these props here, I don't think it came with these props either. It might have, I'm not sure. But anyhow, let's get this guy up in the air so we can see how it flies. I plan to do some FPV with it, but I am babying this thing, so I won't be getting all crazy with it, but I will do some FPV, a little line of sight too. It's running on DSMX, and yeah, that's about it. Let's get this guy up in the air. I think it's 25 milliwatts. The battery is a GMB 450 2S. Oh, this does run 3S packs, but I'm just out here with a 2S. Let's get it. The motors on here are 7500 kV 1105, so not really ideal for a 3S anyhow. I put an extra large buzzer on here, so it does have a buzzer. Switch this guy on. Turn on this monitor. Hopefully I have enough juice in the monitor to capture some FPV with it. And we're doing an auto search. Auto search for the signal for the FPV. I'm lazy like that, y'all. Let me get the recording going and let's get it in the air. Really quiet with these props. Let's go into acro. Check the punch out. Awesome flyer. Uh-oh. Something was hitting. I don't see anything on it, so I don't know what that was about. Let's do some FPV with it. We're only doing 25 milliwatts, so not going to try to go too far with it. Squirrels are dropping things out of the trees on me. Who's that guy? Let's get back down in these trees again. I forgot I said I wasn't going to go too far with it. The signal seems to be holding out though. Oops. I got a buzzer on it though, y'all. Active buzzer, so I can I should be able to locate it. Squirrel over there. Let's see, where do we land? This buzzer is pretty loud too. Let's see, where are we? Okay, we're over here. Not too far away. Oh good, the props don't look like they're too beat up or anything. Don't look like they took any damage. Everything looks to be a go. Let's keep... Uh-oh. Okay, let's keep going. One of the props weren't spinning. A little bit of line of sight with it. Let's do some FPV, y'all. Got some litter bugs out here. Is that the buzzer? Oh, I think that's some music or something playing. Oh yeah, that is the buzzer. Let me get it back. Uh-oh. I played around with it too long, y'all. Had to bring it down. The QAV 105 Throwback Thursday. Definitely one of my favorites. I love this thing, y'all. First retail micro to ship with a CCD can. Thanks for watching.